long has he been out there?
About an hour and a half.
You serious?
Feels like it.
Dude, that sucks.
Get some good pictures. Where are we going to go now? Do we have any other options?
Is there a McDonald's
lined
on
up?
the way?
I don't think we have anything lined up, but I mean, it looks like he's trying.
Trying really hard, yeah.
Well, and he's had this place locked down for a while.
How did he not know then?
Yeah, that's a, like, he's got all these contacts.
Because in this area, anyone does anything they want.
Hey, pen and paper. Pen and paper. Real quick. Right now.
Where?
Yeah, I'm still here.
Update, we have a location. Where is it?
Yep.
Good call. And here we go.